Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix your domain is not connected to the Hostinger. So how can you fix that issue? Now first of all, go to this website hpnl.hostinger.com, and once you're at the home page, make sure to log in with your account, and on the left side you will see multiple options like websites, domains. So just go inside the domains, and inside the domain portfolio you will see your domain which is listed inside the Hostinger and which you're facing the issue. So once you go into the domain portfolio, so you will basically see your domain, like I will attach a screenshot so you can have a look. The domain name, status, expiration date, auto renewal. So from here just click on the manage option, and once you click on manage, so you will just need to go inside the manage, and from there just go to this option called DNS or name servers. Just find this option and go inside the DNS name servers, and from the DNS records just click on change name servers, and once you click on change name servers, so they will show you two options: either select name servers, use Hostinger name servers, or change name servers. So make sure to click on choose or use Hostinger name servers, which is recommended method. So just click on it and click on save, and from your hosting website also make sure to use the Hostinger name server. And once you select Hostinger from both of these options, after that your issue will be fixed and you won't face this problem anymore. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can fix that issue. Now make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you find this video useful.